The late Ronald Blythe wrote that May dawns should be treasured. It's a line I repeat each year on going to ground, and though it's still April, this is the most bridal and beautiful spring day. And behind me on Waden Hill here this morning, Saturday morning, can you just see the flat pudding bowl peak of Silbury Hill? It's spectacular this morning, coming over Waden Hill, which is the best view to see Silbury here on the Marlborough Downs. The mists are still lying low in the Kennet Valley, where they've cleared elsewhere, and you can just see the tabletop of Silbury Hill peeking over the top. It would be phenomenal to be up there this morning, but you may know it's prohibited to climb it. I'm out here early with Effie because it's one of those days when you keep the curtains open at night just to see the dawn come through. And I don't know about you, but I can't lie in on mornings like this. I have to get out and get the best of the day, which it so often is in April and May particularly. We're just reaching the peak of spring. It's the most fabulous time of year. Words fail very often. And I'm just coming down now. There's Silbury again, and coming down now to the Winterbourne. The Avebury Stones are behind me, and we'll see what's happening down there. But I just wanted to share it with you, and very briefly pick up on what I was trying to say in the woods a couple of days ago. And I was thinking about it really, the idea of the rising and falling of life being. It's like I was describing it like a graph, which is not my natural home to describe things in mathematical ways, but as a plotted path along two axes. And my point was really in that hill, which is pretty much the shape of Silbury Hill behind me, of rising growth, plateauing and then descending, decline. You can plot Easter, as we used to with an X on graph paper. You can plot Easter at any point on that graph. That's the theological kind of hope of Easter, is that wherever we are in rising or declining, or at our peak, Easter can be plotted at any point along that pattern, that line, because it breaks in to the deadly times, the normal times, the beautiful times, joyous, etc. Easter is all of it is permeable to the hope of Easter. That's all. Recapping that, Effie has this lovely thing in the mornings of drinking the dew from the grass. She absolutely loves it. And yesterday when we were out, she just ran along. She ran through the field with her tongue lolling out, just kind of hoovering it all up, slopping it all up in the fields. And the cow pass is growing up, and she's doing the same this morning. So she's quite happy having a drink. She really enjoys that. I'll leave you here, but God bless you, friends. Speak to you soon.